Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bank of America account with Zoho Books. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with Zoho Books and you want to start keeping better track of your financial transactions. I can speak from experience that Zoho Books is absolutely phenomenal in actually doing this. Now, there's not going to be a lot of steps involved, guys. Be sure to stick around all the way to the end in order to learn how to do this. Now what we're first going to do is go onto our Zoho Books account, and then on the left hand side you want to go ahead and click on banking. Now you have two buttons here. You're going to click on connect bank/credit card, and then from here you're going to see the Bank of America bank. So click on that, and then you need to click on this checkbox that says I have read and agreed to all the terms and agreement. So click on proceed. So from here, again, it's another prompt. I don't know why it does this, but it's pretty silly. You're just going to click on Bank of America again, and then now you're going to get a confirmation of what's about to happen. So Bank of America will provide the following standard information to Zoho Books, which includes your accounts, and it also includes your transactions. So once you click on continue, you're actually going to be prompted to log into your Bank of America account and then connect your transactions. So I'm not going to proceed any further than this, guys, just because it's pretty self-explanatory after this. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bank of America account with Zoho Books. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.